How to check transaction history on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check transaction history on Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Trust Wallet. If you don't have Trust Wallet, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get your Trust Wallet, you can log in into your account by opening up it. And after you open up Trust Wallet, you will have to go through your authentication, type in your password, or you can just go through the Face ID as well. Now to find your history, what you'll have to do is you'll first need to locate which transaction history you want. So let's say that you want transaction history of a certain crypto. So that's the only way you can actually get the transaction history. So let's say if I want to get transaction history of Bitcoin, I'll just tap on Bitcoin. Make sure that you're on the home page first. So after you're on home page, locate the one that you want the transaction history of and then tap on it. So I'll just tap on Bitcoin. And after you tap on it, just let it load. And if there is a transaction history, you will be able to see it right here. So as you can see, transaction will appear here. So if you have done any transaction, you will find its history right here. Now it's the same case for NFTs as well. And yeah, you can just go through your BNB, you can go through your ETH, and every transaction history will just come right below that very crypto. And yeah, that's how you can check transaction history on Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like as well. Bye bye. Take care.